the Smart Current Affairs program for the Mains 2024. With more than 25 questions coming directly from our classes and our handouts from the current affairs section. Let's take up another question. Now in this question, I would like to tell you, so the first pillar of our program was that, we were trying to hit the exact topic, we were trying to hit the exact dimension. Now I told you that because we cannot overburden the students with the classes, we do give certain extra handouts, certain extra material, so that they can read it on their own and they do not have to look for other resources. Now this is the topic, this is the question which is the example of that particular thing. So this question is a very simple one on the Digital Personal Data Protection Act, and just have a look at the handout. The handout on exact topic was given to the students, and this is what makes the program holistic in nature, right? So everything which was asked in the question is discussed over here. So the question is asking what are the various salient features and the context of this Digital Personal Data Protection Act. Just look at what we have discussed in the handout. We have discussed the various features and the context in which this particular, in the background in which this particular act has come up, right? So that is the importance of the class, that is the importance or the X factor of the program that we are talking about. Another question, this question is with respect to terrorism. Now it's very easy for any institute to catch this particular theme of terrorism because of lot of attacks which were happening in the Jammu and Kashmir area, but it was difficult to catch the dimension of terrorism, which is counter-terrorism. So what has UPSC asked? UPSC has not asked the question on terrorism, it has asked the question on the effectiveness of CTC, which is the Counter-Terrorism Committee, right? So this is where the skill comes in. Are you able to pinpoint the exact dimension or the exact question which can be asked from that particular topic? And that is where our team comes in, and it got the exact dimension. Just have a look at this particular handout, the snippet, the screenshot of the handout. Just have a look. We talked about the counter-terrorism strategies, right? We talked about it. We specifically focused on counter-terrorism, and we also talked about what are the issues with the counter-terrorism strategy, or what are the issues faced in tackling this problem of terrorism, which was exactly the demand of the question. So that's where we come in, that's where the hard work of the team pays off, and that's what is making us happy that we could help the students in the mains examination. Again, this particular question very beautifully addressed the exact topic, so social media and how it is acting as a security challenge. Just have a look at this. Now just have a look at the handout that we gave. The handout was on exactly the same topic, which is social media and its security implication. And whatever was asked in the question was everything covered in this particular handout, along with multiple examples with respect to the topic, right? So in the classes, we discuss several topics in very comprehensive manner. We are able to catch even those themes which is not predictable, right? Which is very difficult to catch, right? Even those things are discussed in the classes, and then we also give extra handouts so that the students do not feel that they need anything more than this particular classes, right?